Most expensive private jets owned by celebrities. Number 1. Airbus A380 owned by Prince Al Walid bin Talal. Estimated price $500 million. Number 2. Boeing 757 owned by Donald Trump. Estimated price $100 million. Number 3. Gulfstream G650 owned by Oprah Winfrey. Estimated price $70 million. Number 4. Gulfstream Iver owned by Tom Cruise. Estimated price $36 million. Number 5. Embraer Legacy 6150 owned by Jackie Chan. Estimated price $30 million. Number 6. Cessna Citation X owned by Jim Carrey. Estimated price $23 million. Number 7. Bombardier Challenger 601 owned by Mark Cuban. Estimated price $25 million.